Hey guys, I have my 2006 Mustang GT right behind me here. Just a little insight on the exhaust. It has MBRP muffler deletes as well as an off-road X pipe. And I get questions about my exhaust literally all the time. So finally I'm doing a review on my exhaust. Now I get a lot of questions like, is it loud at wide open throttle? Or, does it drone? I guess in this video, we'll find out. Well, so there you guys have it. My exhaust is pretty loud, kind of what you expect with muffler deletes and pipe. Now, it does have the stock headers on there that I'll be swapping out here in the next few months, so I guess stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys.